According to latest reports, the 23rd edition of the Malabar naval exercise between India, US and Japan has started from today, while Australia is the only Quad member which is not involved in this 10-day naval exercise. India has sent a Sea Valak-class stealth frigate along with the anti-submarine corvette and P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft, while the US is fielding its Burke-class destroyer USS McCampbell, amphibious ship USS Green Bay, and a Los Angeles-class nuclear submarine, while Japan has deployed its Suzumu-class helicopter carrier, along with Samudra destroyer and Chekai cruiser. Besides the European firm MBDA and the Swedish firm Saab, reports indicate that Israel's aerospace industries, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems of Israel, Samsung of South Korea and Russian companies are expected to participate in the bidding process for Indian Navy's procurement of short-range surface-to-air systems. The MBDA has offered a number of systems including the 25 km range Ceptor through its joint venture with Larsen & Toubro, and has said that the transfer of technology will be initially very raw, and will be very high in the end. While India and Russia are holding talks to locally manufacture components of the S-400 air defense systems, top experts have made a comparative analysis between the S-400 and the Patriot air defense system, in which the S-400 appears to be a clear winner. The S-400 has a maximum speed of 4.8 km per second, while the Patriot manages only 1.3 km per second. With an operational range of 400 km, the S-400 stands way ahead of the Patriot system, which has a range of less than 200 km. The Patriot system has a maximum flight altitude of up to 24.2 km, but the top variant of the S-400 can take a flight up to maximum 185 km. A blueprint to secure India's civil airports against unmanned aerial vehicles is at an advanced stage, and the Indian firm Ideaforge has been tasked by the Central Industrial Security Force to come up with a solution by the end of 2019. As per latest reports, multiple field trials have been carried out in the past 3 months in New Delhi. Star Navigation Systems Group of Canada has announced that the company has entered into a partnership and industrial agreement with India's ANTAZ Technologies Private Limited, which will adapt, integrate and market Star products to the Indian Armed Forces. The agreement will address the needs of the transport fleets of both the Indian Navy and of the Indian Air Force, with the first application targeting small transport aircraft and helicopters. The Indian Coast Guard has commissioned an offshore patrol vessel in Chennai, which is the fourth in the series of 7 offshore patrol vessels. The ship has been indigenously designed and built by Larsen & Toubro, and it is well equipped with high-speed boats and modern surveillance systems, and can stay at sea for 20 days without replenishment.